information about the sponsors and the spots where we could advertise. So this is a sample side running board. This is called a side running board in India. So this is a 6 foot by 3 foot board. Okay, the length is 6 feet, height is 3 feet. So this is what we can create. The length tentatively for a basketball court is anywhere around 90 feet. So we can have 15 slots for such running boards on both sides. That is on the right hand side and on the left hand side. And we could sell 15 spots at least. So 15 and 15. We have a total of 30 spots for the sponsors. Now there are some more spaces where we could go with additional branding for the sponsors. Come closer. Now this is where the students are going to be seated, the audience. So they start sitting from right here. Okay. So this spot is empty for us. We can use this for marketing as well. This is roughly around 4 feet. So we could utilize 2.5 feet right till here for putting sponsor information. So this is at least 100 feet and we can utilize this space as well. Now it depends how we want to utilize the space. It's on both sides of the court. Similarly on the other hand as well. It's just a replica. We also have some more additional space for branding. If you see this box between the two pillars, we can have the sponsors information right there as well. So we have 4 such spots in the whole court. There's one out here, one right on the opposite side, if you see out there. And then there's one out there, and one in this corner. Okay, so this is the places where we could advertise. Thank you. Some more spots we have identified for sponsors. If you see on the top, right at the top above the windows, okay, that's where we are going to have the UBA logos and the AIU logos as discussed earlier. However, there's a spot below, the grey spot, the marble area. We can have the sponsors information there as well. Should I start? This is the actual floor. If you see, it has multiple markings, and these all are permanent markings. We cannot get rid of these. So we'll have to find a possible option for it. Like the court has covered with mats right now. So we have to get temporary floors, which Riaz is looking at. We're going to meet Dr. Kendre and we'll see the possibilities out here. But there are a lot of markings and it's going to be very hard to cover these with tapes or something else. So we'll try and have to look for some more options on it.